Yeah.
All right, this is W.S. Huey BirdLife Sanctuary. Today's is today the 15th?
Yeah.
June 15th of 2026. And it's not too bad. Puffy clouds everywhere. It's humid. It's probably around 86. The sun, when it comes out of the clouds, which it is right now, it's hot. That sun is hot. We probably won't keep our dogs out here very long. There's a little bird over here in some debris, John, in the river. I don't know what kind of bird it is. Oh, he just flew off. Well, he's there, but he's pretty far away. The river's low, but it's not bad. It's muddy like usual. We won't walk the dogs too much. It's kind of warm. Well, everything's greened up a lot now.